Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel with me and my bald head. So that means we're doing a wig video today from Premier Lace Wigs. Who's excited? I know. So inside the box comes some instructions, a wig cap, and elastic band. So this is the wig. It is the Yaki Straight Anatomic Lace Wig. It's Indian Remy hair. 22 inches. It is a 360 lace wig, so there's lace all around. It does come pre-plucked, and it also comes with baby hairs, and it's in a color natural black. I got it in a size medium, and the wig is 150% wig density. So that's the wig we are trying on today. So first I'm just gonna try it around my head, and like I said, I think my head's getting bigger or my braids are too big. I don't know, but I've been struggling lately to get wigs to fit my head, but this one, it fit just right. So like I said, I got a medium cap, so I'm just trying on the wig to see what it looks like on my head, and I'm gonna play around with it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. So with this wig here, I just want to show you the natural parting that it comes with. It's not very pronounced, so if you do want to do a side part or a middle part, you're definitely gonna have to pluck the parting if you want it to look as natural as possible. But for me, I just did a flip over. So I cut off the lace, and I noticed that even though it does come pre-plucked, it's not as pre-plucked as I'd like it. So I just did a little bit on my own off camera. I also went ahead and put some foundation on the lace just so that it'll match my forehead a little bit better, just to make it look that much more natural. So you guys already know how we do. We're going to use our Got To Be glue gel so that we can put it around the perimeter of my head, trying not to get it too much on my own edges so I don't rip them out. And then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it to make it a little tacky so that the wig can go ahead and sit on my head. I'm going to use a rat tail comb to kind of push it down so that I don't get it on my fingers too much. This way it just makes the application a lot smoother and a lot less messy. After I get the front to how I like it, I'm going to go ahead and set it with my scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so after those 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off and see how the hair laid. I ain't gonna lie, y'all gonna see a little flap kind of like hanging off every now and then because I didn't lay it properly, but it's okay. So this is what we're dealing with right now. I think the wig looks really good. It's pretty much an effortless wig. You just kind of glue it onto your head and you can get going. I just straightened it so I could have it straight to perfection so you guys can see how straight the hair gets. It's very beautiful and it's very long, and also I do have a coupon code. You can use Jess for $10 off. Just thought I'd plug that in there. Alright y'all, so I'm not even gonna lie, I did not slay this the way I was projecting it in my head, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I think I still look cute, but this wasn't the vision that I had. The hair's really nice though. Look how nice it straightens. It's very sleek. Should I curl this or should I leave it straight? I'm gonna curl it. Okay. So I went ahead and decided to curl my hair with my curling wand, and for 22 inches of hair, it did not take that long at all. It took maybe about 15 to 20 minutes to curl all of this hair, and the hair held the curls pretty well throughout the day. I'd say at the end of the day, it kind of looked more like beach waves, so that was pretty cool. I like the way this hair held the curl. It didn't do a bad job at all. So yeah, that's what the hair looks like in a curly state, other than it being in a straight state. So I really like it curly rather than it being straight. It just adds a little bit more, like, you know, elegance, and it's kind of, you know, a little grown and sexy. So now I'm just going to show you guys a few other styles that you can do with a 360 lace wig. I'm going to do a half up, half down, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I put my hair into a high ponytail. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!